Probably just seeing what I could do, seeing like where I'm able to go. Like my dad's always told me to like that I'm special and that I have like a long place to go. I'm the first out of my family to go to college, so it's pretty exciting for me, and I just want to see what I'm able to do for myself and for my family and the people who've helped me be where I'm at right now. I guess be a little delusional. Like some people are kind of like in their own head a lot of times and they think they can't do what like they really want to push themselves to do, but the thing that's stopping them is their own belief in themselves and thinking that it's way too big to go out and get it. And then just working hard and making sure you stay consistent. Probably my mindset. Like recently I've gotten more into the mindset of like that I can be like whatever I want to be, and like I'm able to do what I want to do and I'm able to go out and get it. And like that's something I haven't always had, but right now that's probably something I wouldn't want to lose. And then also I think I'm pretty kind. I'm pretty kind to other people, and just being able to like let others gravitate towards me and then be able to teach them things but also learn from them is something that I probably would never want to lose. You have to put yourself in uncomfortable positions. I would say, like, my dad always tells me like people grow most when you're living outside of that little box that you put yourself in a lot of the times. And I think you just need to put yourself in uncomfortable positions in places where you think you wouldn't grow, because that's most of the time where you would grow. Before Bosco, I wasn't really focused on my faith or like incorporating it into my day-to-day life. I didn't go to church on Sundays. I really never went to church at all. Like sports was always crowding that, but now I don't use like sports as an excuse to do that. Like I go to church pretty often. I pray. I incorporate prayer into like my day-to-day life before I go off to school, before I go to sleep. And then like also starting to like pray for others and like try to benefit others with my prayer. Just focusing on like not what I want, but like what like I want for other people as well, and just being more open-minded, I guess, in my prayer. Probably more safe and like at ease. Like I have somebody watching over me, and like I always know like if something goes wrong, like it's a sign to move a different direction or focus on something else. I've had a lot, mostly sports-wise, just like daily runs every day, just getting to spend time with like the freshmen, the sophomores, and then also just getting like long talks on a run or on the field, just messing around, trash talking. It's a lot of fun. And then my freshman and sophomore year, the lunch tables, those are really fun. Just like little shenanigans every day, and just messing around with my friends is really fun. I mean, you hear it every day, but like the brotherhood, I would say, like I feel like people are they just have a lot more in common. Like say you go to a public school and there's definitely little like groups that everybody has and everybody's kind of spread out, but I feel like here everybody has like there's like a shared like common belief among everybody, like that brotherhood. I feel like that's what a lot of people, like what bond a lot of people is the idea of that brotherhood. And even like what sets Bosco apart is like the teachers. I feel like the teachers are a lot more involved in the student's life, like not just in the classroom but also outside of the classroom, just cracking jokes with people and just being able to kind of focus on, I wouldn't say being a friend, but like more being like a mentor. It just makes you feel like they're not there to like kind of like hammer something into your brain, but they're there to like kind of ease you into it and like allow you to kind of get into the swing of things yourself, and then kind of guide you from there. Probably to get involved in more stuff early on. Like my biggest regret is probably not joining track and cross country, because I'm pretty good at it just after a year of doing it. And I feel like if I joined a lot earlier and got more involved and like out of my own shell, I would be able to be a lot more successful. I know a lot of students like work because they want to make their parents proud, they want to make their family proud, but they also, I feel like more students need to find something that make themselves proud and something they really are driven to do, because that's when you're most, you're gonna be most successful. Like you could be making billions of dollars every day, but if you're in a job that you don't want, you don't enjoy, and you didn't dream of having as a little kid, I feel like you're not truly ever gonna be happy. So I think it's focusing on something that you're gonna be happy in and you're really driven to do and you enjoy. Right now it's more focused on like getting my feet off the ground, or getting like me off the ground, and like I probably want to just accomplish like just make it out of there, I guess, right now. But in the future it'll definitely be to make a positive impact on people. Go Braves!